2023, baby. We're back in action, live on YouTube, doing it for all the fam out there, all the friends and all the haters as well. Everyone's watching. What's Patrick doing today? This morning, having a little bit of trouble with my Trade Evade account, but we still locked down $1,200 in the Top Step account. Gonna give you guys a little playback here, a little playback of what went down in the live stream. And remember, we'll be live every morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern, right here on YouTube, the #1 trading entertainment channel. Add up, my friends. Small winners add up. Right now, the MACD crossed on the 3-minute chart, so going into open, looking a little bearish here. See what happens if we're going to bounce off that VWAP here on the ES, on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's got the VWAP down to the 11,080, so a little bit deeper of a pullback here for the NASDAQ to get touched. I told myself last night, I was like, listen, tomorrow is just another day. Just another day. Just stay focused, do what we do, you know? Don't need anything crazy. Don't need to try to swing for the fences on the first day of the year. Let's just get a nice and easy trade today. There's that push back up to the 80s, like I said. Bouncing there off the VWAP beautifully on the NASDAQ and the ES right now. Will this be enough to push through that 80? You got the 85 resistance popping up there on the Bookmap here, but trying to get back there into the 80s now. Can she push through the 82, 85 level? Trying to get this push up here. Stop at the 78s. Beautiful. Pushing up there through the 85s next would be nice. I'm going to take it right there for $875. Whew. First trade of the year. Whew. Look, there it goes. 85s now. Just needed to get the cobwebs off. Look, there it goes all the way. I could have held that a little bit longer, Patrick. 87s pushing back up there. This is kind of a no trade zone right here. I just kind of wait to see. I'd rather wait to get above that pivot, turn that pivot into support, and then look to get long instead of trying to buy this like breakout here and then getting stuck there at that pivot. Hey, it's a new year, 2023. Have you been thinking about trading futures, thinking about getting into trading futures? Check out Top Step. There's a link down below. You want to get into trading futures to get into a funded account. I honestly can say that going through the combine, going through Top Step, I really had to adjust things. I had to follow the rules. I had to follow somebody else's rules as a trader, and that's a very powerful thing. If you guys want to learn more, there's a link down below. Let's go. Starting out the year strong here. You can see on the setup here. Profit trade, no losers today. Let's go, baby. 2023, 0 losers so far. I don't know if I can keep it going for the whole year, but I'll hope it plays out that way. So right now, $1,200 on the day and push up there in 94s now through the 90s. I got to stay focused here. Stop thinking about my P&L, but there's that move up there through the 90s now, 95, 96s. So basically, guy had to go back through step 2. You can see literally green, green, green. What do you want from me? Look at this. Fucking step 2, green, 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 3 days in a row. This is all live on YouTube. Into the funded account. Green, green, green. Like literally, what the fuck do you want from me? Green, green, green. This is all live right now, guys. We are live on YouTube. This is not Photoshop. This is all, I can literally refresh this. You can see there is nothing to hide here. There you go. Green, green, green. Every day. Best day, $1,800. Worst day, $1,000 there. I just think it's so fucking funny that there's some little bitch out there that's sitting here recording my live streams trying to catch me doing something. But yeah. 100%, guys. Like, if you're just starting out trading, if you're, you know, a year into it, 2 years, you're having trouble, you haven't figured it out, I'm telling you right now, stop worrying about trying to make all this money. Just focus on consistency. Even if you know what honestly be the best thing you could do if you're a new trader? If you're, let's say you're losing money, you're having issues, and you're just, it's not working for you. Just getting to a point where you're consistently losing the same amount of money. Like if you can consistently lose the same amount of money every day. Let's say your maximum loss for the day is $200 on the day. If you can consistently lose $200 every day for a month, that's better. Honestly, that's better than like having insane whipsaws where you're like losing $5,000, losing, making $2,000, losing $5,000. But honestly, like if you can consistently lose $200 every day, Like that's honestly like making progress, right? Because then at least you're not blowing up your account. Like you're just consistently doing something. And then once you figure out like, hey, this is what I'm doing consistently is when I'm losing, you just gotta do the opposite, and now you're making $200 a day. But honestly, like that's like the biggest thing. Even if you're losing money, like try to be consistent losing money. Like really, like it sounds fucked up, but I'm telling you right now, like if you can consistently lose money, then you can consistently make money. I'm like, that's a fact right there. Put that on the fucking Wikipedia.